Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TITXF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I've done this one a few times, but as it stands right now, what a buzzkill type move. I mean, if you were to say, Clay, I need to find a good example to put into a textbook about, what an uptrend looks like. You could have grabbed this one. I mean, this thing was just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful uptrend. But unfortunately, now the party is over for now. That's a good thing. There's no such thing as a guarantee. So just because the party's over right now doesn't mean that something can change. I mean, it can always, the party can start up again. But as far as the current party that was going on, yeah, that is totally over. What gives me the right to call the party over? Well, I mean, look at the trend line, which was the green line right there. Then you factor in the very famous moving averages, both the 50 period right there and the 200 period right there. And the price is well below both of those. And, kind of the final nail in the coffin as far as, kind of justification to say the party's over is the price is literally back inside of this range that it broke out of a long time ago back, on the 7th. And then, from there, it just continued on up. But it's literally right back in this range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power don't go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward. So on that note, back to the drawing board for the bulls. We'll see if they can put something new together and kind of get that overall uptrend back on track. Now, the one positive here is the price did show some signs of strength on the day itself. Yeah, there's the big nasty gap down, but from where it opened up here to where it ultimately closed, yeah, nice little bounce on the day. Does that mean that everything's perfectly fine and that this thing's headed back up to 54 cents? I wish the market was that easy, but you still got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls showed some signs of strength, so now it's just a matter of is this the start of something bigger? Well, I realize start of something bigger is just a totally general statement. How can we quantify that? Well, that's the cool thing about charts is they do allow you to quantify things. So if this is the start of something bigger, first step is obviously the price is not going to be falling back, down to 36, 35 because that would just be the price going backwards. But the next big step that you're going to want to keep an eye on is right up here at that pink line there to see if the price can get back up above that very crucial moving average, which again is that 200 period. So is today's bounce the start of something? Well, if it is, A, the price is not going to need to, the price shouldn't be dropping, and B, the price needs to start to work its way back up to that pink line. So we'll see what happens with it the remainder of the week.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.